Luis Sanchez, Keller Williams Realty. Today's quick tip is about cleanliness. If you were going to a wedding, if you were going to a graduation, if you were going to church or anywhere of importance, you would definitely wash up and wear nice clothes and look your best. Same thing with your house. You'd be surprised how many people leave a lot of money on the table because they do not keep their house clean. Even if it might cost somebody $500 or $1,000 to have a crew go in and clean everything inside the cabinets, outside the cabinets, tidy up the garage, baseboards, all those things, all those little details, in the long run, you'd get your money back. If you're selling a home, especially the first 30 days, 45 days, it is crucial that you keep a clean house. No one wants to go into your house and see clothes everywhere or sticky floors and envision themselves living in that kind of environment. So strongly recommend, if you're looking to sell your house, look around, ask somebody that you know that is very honest and that cares about you, and find out where you could improve the cleanliness of your home. And I promise you, you'll make a lot more money in the end just by doing that one quick tip.